Module 2. Advanced Costing Methods and Techniques. Absorption costing, full costing. Absorption costing is a comprehensive approach where all manufacturing costs, both fixed and variable, are allocated to products. You will explore how material costs, labor, and overheads are absorbed into product costs and how this affects inventory valuation, pricing, and profitability reporting. The module explains advantages, accurate product costing, regulatory compliance, and limitations can obscure contribution margins less effective for decision-making in variable cost scenarios. Marginal costing, variable costing. Marginal costing focuses only on variable costs for decision-making, leaving fixed costs as period expenses. You will explore how marginal costing facilitates break-even analysis, contribution margin calculation, and short-term pricing decisions. Practical exercises include calculating contribution per unit, analyzing profit impact of changing production volumes, and understanding when to use marginal costing versus absorption costing. Activity-based costing. ABC assigns costs to products or services based on the activities required to produce them, rather than broad averages. This technique is particularly useful for businesses with diverse products or complex production processes, ensuring cost allocation is precise and reflects actual resource consumption. You will work on examples of identifying cost drivers, mapping processes, and calculating product costs accurately, enhancing pricing strategies and profitability analysis. Standard costing. Standard costing involves setting predetermined cost benchmarks for materials, labor, and overhead. You will learn to measure performance, control costs, and identify variances between standard and actual costs. The module discusses variance analysis in detail, including material, labor, and overhead variances, and how this insight supports decision-making and financial discipline. Target costing and life cycle costing. Target costing begins with desired market price and profit margin, then works backward to determine acceptable costs. Life cycle costing considers the entire cost of a product over its life cycle, including development, production, operation, maintenance, and disposal. You will explore strategies for cost reduction, product design adjustments, and long-term profitability planning, ensuring products are competitive yet financially viable throughout their life cycle. Cost allocation techniques. You will study how to allocate indirect costs, overheads, effectively using methods such as step-down, reciprocal, and proportionate allocation. Exercises include assigning overheads to departments and products, ensuring accurate product costing for pricing and profitability analysis. Practical applications. The module integrates real-world scenarios, case studies, and problem-solving exercises to illustrate how advanced costing methods directly influence pricing strategies, profit margins, investment decisions, operational efficiency. You will gain hands-on experience in selecting the appropriate costing method depending on industry type, business scale, product complexity, and strategic goals. Learning outcomes. By the end of Module 2, you will be able to understand and differentiate between absorption costing, marginal costing, ABC, standard costing, target costing, and life cycle costing. Apply advanced costing techniques to determine accurate product costs. Analyze cost variances and implement corrective measures for operational efficiency. Allocate indirect costs accurately using standard allocation methods. Make informed pricing, production, and investment decisions based on precise cost data.